Today I'm going to try how to do your makeup according to your contrast level. So it was like a huge trend going on TikTok right now on how to do your makeup according to your contrast level. So I actually wanted to go on TikTok and show you how to do it. There's like a little filter, I guess, on how to do that. So let's go on to TikTok. Okay, so definitely not have high contrast. Let's try medium. It's better, but I don't think oh, by the way, I already know what my contrast level is. I just want to show you how to do this. Okay, so it's definitely not medium. I have low contrast, so this is low contrast. So that's going to be how we are going to do the makeup. So according to low contrast. Okay, so I think of like low contrast is kind of like the clean girl kind of look. So that's what we're basically going to do. Okay, I'm gonna first do my brows. I'm gonna take my Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. This is in the shade 2.5. I wanted to choose a brow pencil shade that was really close to my brow hairs. For this look, you want everything to really match skin tone and like the brow hairs and the eyes, everything, like all the the hair, the skin tone, the eyes need to be in the same range. Okay, then I'm actually gonna go to the spoolie side and brush this through. That'll really make it look very natural when I do this. Okay, let's go on to foundation. I like to do my brows before I do my foundation, by the way, so let's move into foundation. So today I'm going to use one of my favorite foundations. This is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation, Mont Blanc. I'm going to squirt some of this on the back of my hand and start kind of applying this to the face. And I already have my skin prep on, and I'm gonna start now to, I'm linking all the products that I use for my skin prep down below. I've been wanting to kind of start do that since I already start with my skin prep on. Okay, next I want to choose, actually let's go in with contour. So I'm gonna take my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum in the shade Light. I'm gonna squirt a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take the Morphine Ariel brush number A58 to apply this. I'm gonna go down the nose as well, contour. Oh, and I also like to take what's left from the contour and contour my lips. I'm actually going to apply some more to the back of my hand to contour my lips. Okay, for a concealer, I want to use something that matches the foundation. This one is close, I feel. Yeah. This is the Dior Backstage Flash Perfector Concealer in 1W. And I'm just going to apply a tiny bit right in the inner corner, and then down the bridge of the nose, on the cupid bow, and the chin. I'm going to take my Nikki LaRose and BQ Beauty, the N16 brush, to apply this, or to blend it in, really. So I'm actually going to go back to my contour that we used. I'm going to take the Morphe M453 brush and just go in the crease with this. Or actually, let's just start on the lash line and then work the way up into the crease. Now I'm going to set the face. So I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Easy. Actually, let's not use, you know what, yeah, let's use, I don't want anything to be really brightening for the under eye and for the T-zone, so I'm actually going to use a translucent powder. This is from Makeup Forever. This is Ultra HD loose powder. And I'm going to use the Nikki LaRose and BQ Beauty, the N14 brush. I like to tap off the excess and then take my palm and then just kind of work the product into the brush and start setting the under eye area and the T-zone. And I am going to pick up a little bit more powder. Just kind of go right in this area to set right underneath the contour. Now I'm going to go into the Patrick Ta Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo in She's Statuesque. And then I'm going to use the powder. First, set the contour on the nose. And I'm also going to take the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N13 brush, to set a contour on the eyes. And then I'm also going to take the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N15 brush, to set a contour on cheekbones. And then I'm also going to take this on the forehead as well, just to give a little bit of warmth to the forehead. For powder blush, I'm actually going to use one of my favorite blushes for this look. This is the Ravie Beauty Endless Diffusion Everyday Baked Blush in Paradise. I'm also going to use the Ravie Beauty blush brush and apply this to the cheeks. I'm also going to go across the nose with this. Alright, so I actually did want to add a little bit of sparkle to the eyes. So I'm going to take the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette, and you're going to take the color Mia in the palette, which is this one. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. This is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. It's so pretty. Off camera, I'm actually going to apply, or you know what, first off camera, I'm actually going to sharpen my eyeliner. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner, or eye pencil in taupe. For mascara, I'm actually going to use a brown mascara. I'm going to take the Power 28 Make Waves mascara in brown. This has become my favorite makeup look. I have like different variations of this look, and it's amazing. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the Patrick Ta palette, and I'm gonna take the powder side and just apply that to the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to apply the same mascara to the bottom lashes. Okay, for a highlighter, I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter in Pearl. I feel like this one would be better for my skin tone. Okay, keeping with the low contrast vibe, I'm going to take a light lipstick. This is the Ravie Beauty Effortless Lips lipstick in the shade Lily. Oh, but first I'm going to wipe off foundation that got on the lips. I can't believe she came out with 3 new lip shades. I actually am going to be getting them this week, and I'm so excited. Next, I'm going to apply my Maybelline Super Lock Brow Glue. I feel like I could have gone a little bit lighter with the brows, but last step, I'm going to apply my One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Alright, this is the finished look. Like I said, I could have gone a little bit dark or lighter with the brows, but I think they look fine. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you in the next one. Bye!